think, or I should say I am sure that it is colder than yesterday, so I'm going to the city. Section 47. I got some gas here at this little store, a few beers, and I'm gonna go back on the trail and ask the guy at the station, at the store here. I said like there are some campground on the way on the section 48, so I am good to go. Section 48. It's really beautiful out here, and I just stopped, and I don't know if you can see, I'm looking south, but I can see a lot of smoke in the back there. Probably some wildfire going on, so I'm going southwest, so I should be okay, but I'll keep an eye on it. Hello again. And I am done for today. It's 5:30 and I found a really nice campground, much nicer than yesterday, so that's a good thing. Today was just beautiful. The scenery, the trail, it was really nice. There's a fly here, so you'll check out the video. Got some really nice drone video, and that's it. So I'm gonna cook something and just hang out here. It's so nice by the creek. Maybe I'll throw a couple beer in the creek to cool them down, and that'll be my my aperitif. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night, everyone. So I don't know how that happened, but they are cold already. They stayed cold since I bought them maybe like 3 hours ago. They were in the bag there. Not sure how it happened, but great. Don't have to throw them in the creek. Cheers. And on the menu tonight, as an appetizer, we'll have sesame stick, some almond beef jerky with a beer. Then for the entree, we'll have a soup, quinoa soup, and some triscuit. And for dessert, we'll have some chocolate and pasoquita, and maybe a whiskey. We'll see. Bon appetit!